Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I will show you how to add a script in Custom VICIdial game. First, open the website and click on the Lab Demo option. After that, select your Custom VICIdial theme. Here I am using theme number 5. Now copy the demo login ID and password and click on the admin portal login. After login, go to admin section and click on the script. Here click on add a new script. Now enter your script ID KingAsterisk. In script name type KingAsterisk. You can also add script comment if needed. Make sure active is set to yes. Also make sure the script is available for all admin user group. After that, paste your script text and click on the save changes. Next, go to campaign and open your campaign. Now click on the campaign you want to edit. Find the script option and select your script from the drop down. And then click on the save changes. That's it. Your custom VICIdial script has been added successfully. Thank you for the watching.